30 half lashes. That's the goal. I've done 20 and I did it second try. 30. I found a better place with more room that will give me speed the entire way. So I should be able to do it. That's today's mission, along with a nice session afterwards with 2 new tricks, and I'm gonna work on a trick brand new raw with you guys. Like I'm gonna be trying this trick for the first time, but I just want to get this one over with. Setting records is not fun until it's done. All right, please be first try. This is gonna be very painful from start to finish. Seven. Damn, bro. I'm on my 3rd try. I was on 27, and some guy in a car was being annoying. Ah, dude, this is so windy. How am I supposed to do this when the wind is blowing right against me? Do I gotta go faster? I'll go faster. It's just I still slow down with this wind. Come on. I can't with this wind, bro. This is crazy. As soon as I come here to do this, it gets so windy. Ten. 18, 19, 21, 25, 6, 30. Oh my god, dude. What just happened? My leg is broken. I didn't even mean to make this right turn. Where am I? On somebody's block? What the? 30 half lashes. Check. Now that that's taken care of, I want to do something for you guys. The first 10 people to send me an Instagram DM of them doing just 1 half lash, you'll get a major shout out at the end of my next video. So at the end of the video, all 10 of your half lashes will be at the end with your Instagram handle and everything. So big shout out. Can't wait to see you try it. All you need is a front peg. Right now at the hockey rink, and now that my foot is killing me from all those half lashes, kind of want to do some other tricks. You know, we haven't done in a long time is a cross foot hang 10. There are so many tricks that need to be done. I feel like I need to be able to live to 160 years old to just get a taste of at least half of what's possible on a scooter. There's crossfoot stuff, there's inside peg stuff. I mean, there's endless amount of stuff. I want to do some more crossfoot. Just reminding myself about crossfoot tricks. Crossfoot peg wheelie bar spin. Those last 2 attempts, I actually wanted the bar spin, but chickened out every single time. Wow, that is incredibly hard. What the hell? Such a basic looking trick, but that took me at least 15 tries. I promised myself this week, or soon, which I'll probably just try right now, is to learn switch orbit. Just because I learned the whiplash last week, and I knew that if I do orbit whiplash, it can go straight into switch orbit, but I just didn't know how to switch orbit, so I just landed it. But if I can do switch orbit, then I can do orbit, whiplash, switch orbit. Need to learn this trick. I'll warm up with a few orbits first. What? All right, all right. Second one. And third one. It needs some work, but this morning I couldn't even stand in that position. If there's a chance for you to learn a basic trick, half lash. Perfect example. If you have a front peg, dude, half lash is just it's like the first. You don't even need to know how to hold a hang 5 or anything. Like, you can have a 2-inch hang 5. That's enough time to do a half lash. Learn basic tricks, because basic tricks lead to all the nice tricks. See if I can do one more orbit spin, and then I'm good for today. Sick. That was such a good session. Now let's go home. I feel like it's been a minute since we've been in the backyard, but I always forget that I have this perfect flat spot. Foot still broken, but there's a few tricks that I want to do. I want to get out of this orbit craving that I have. That's all I've been doing, just orbits and exits and entries. And let's get back and let's do some whip lashes and combo lashes and stuff like that, just to end off this video. First try triple around the world. Haven't done that in 5 years. Maybe 1. Sick. Concrete's very dusty, so when you have a slippery foot, around the world is just